Pressure shaft's going?
Welcome back to another video, guys. The first video of the new year. You'll notice that there's no car behind me. If you've watched my previous videos, you've heard me continue saying, next video the car will be back, next video the car will be back, and it was never getting back. Well, this video, the car's coming back. It is gonna be a whole lot different than the last time you guys saw it on here. The last time you guys saw the car was what? Probably 2 months ago with the On3 single turbo kit with the bumper exit. We went down to Jay's in Valdosta. We ran a 9.8 at 143, best time I ever have, and in the process broke the trans. Well, we then switched up the setup to a twin turbo setup. That's actually when we found out the trans was broken because it shifted into first gear at 100 miles an hour while Jay was doing some test hits on the twin turbo kit. Either way, everything's fine now. The car has a built trans ready for 1300 horsepower. The Hellhorse twin turbo kit's bolted up, ready to go. The car is tuned. All we gotta do is go pick it up and drive it home. If you guys do enjoy today's video, make sure you subscribe, like, comment what you wanna see with the car this year. We got a 9.8 last year. My goal for this year is 8s. So hopefully you guys can stick around through the journey and see us reach that goal. I'm just waiting on my buddy Alex to get here in his 10-speed supercharged Mustang. It's gonna be my first time riding in that, so that's pretty exciting. And then we'll be off to Jay's. Oh, yeah. Jeez. The 10-speed just keeps on rowing. CBR? I don't even know what that means. Cool though, I guess. It's gotta go with it. Hey Jay. Third time in a row. Third time in a row making it to Jay's without Jay being here.
I think that's pretty good wraps. Wrap my car.
Sheesh!
Don't fuck with what?
I was looking at this truck build.
I was like, don't fuck with the A7 truck.
Look at that monster truck fitment.
Yeah, it's so much better.
Oh yeah.
I was hoping you would get here when he says some time to clean up.
I'm not starting it yet. Oh. There's so many more cables. There's so much more room for activities. What can we do here? How much is that? Like 700 bucks?
I think new is like $630. I think I paid $300 or $400 for it.
What cartel work?
I think it's some 1440s. I got a good deal on these. I paid $900 for like 1400. Valve springs. Luckily, I got a good deal from Jeff, but like if I were to buy new, it's probably like $600 to $800 for those. And then a bunch of AM shit.
The son of a bitch, dude. That shit cost me $5,000. That stupid thing.
No, it didn't.
Yes, it did.
44.
44, trans fluid, install. Well, he just does all my shit for free, for clout, so. I can't even remember everything that's new now. Catch can. The whole turbo kit. The springs. The other springs. What else is new? Damn, I didn't really change that much. It just kind of sat. The trans is new. Look how fat that intercooler is, Alex. You said.
I think it's literally.
It's giant.
It's big.
That's f***ing absurd.
Oh, bro, it's cold. Chill.
No free advertising, no free advertising, no free ad. The fans aren't loud at all. It should work. Bro's a genius.
It's working! It's working!
Bro's a genius.
Well, yeah. Since you're already in the road. Danger to manifold! I don't know what tune-up's on. I think it's on the spicy one.
We got some fire. Oh shit. That was like maybe a quarter throttle.
Bro's gonna kill us. Bro's like, I've been in a fast car forever, let me just do a second gear.
I just wanted to see how it would feel.
On 16 pounds.
Yeah, that was pretty hard. What is that?
Holy drive shaft.
Drive shaft's gone? No way.
Keep going, dude. Does it still move?
It's moving, but something is smacking.
Here, get over on the right.
Oh, it made one singular, one bolt. Oh my god.
I can't see anything.
Hey, one pull and now we're going back to the shop.
You know, I did forget the torque in front of the wheels. I don't know if that's it. It might be worth looking at.
That sounded like a
Might have been the wheels.
Does this go towards the hourly labor rate?
Depends what's wrong. No, low-key, I think I did forget the torque in the wheels.
Let's just push underneath the road. Would that make that sound though?
Yes, if the fucking wheels won't fall off. Let's hope it's just a fucking wheel hurt.
I hope that it's the motor. You hope it's the motor? Nice. Now you're trying to kill me so I won't post it.
Alright, after some small fixes that we don't really need to get into, let Parker take it out again. Turn the traction control off, even though he's been driving a 180 horsepower Civic.
192.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Big difference. It's actually a lot smoother. Yeah, I would imagine. Oh, we've had the parking brake up the whole time. So start in second or third. Do you want to see if it's spinning? Because if I do it in third, it won't spin. So
We're definitely spinning in second.
okay, so do it in third. Gotta change off these drag tires, get onto my daily setup so I can drive 4 hours home. To tighten it, you just give it a little ring, 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 ring. Really? Yeah, that's how it works. That is how it's done. Doesn't have a thingy thing.
Oh my god, I put it on the pinch wheel thing.
What's a pinch wheel?
I don't know. Should I Google it?
Yeah, Google it. Oh yeah, I know what that is. Yeah. I just put it over here on the pinch weld. What do we got? We're loading up this new tune that Jeff sent us. I've been waiting for him to answer. Has 59 seconds left. But what does that mean? It means I have to change these damn wheels back, get back on the radials so that I can actually hook. He wants a 3/4 shift on 14 PSI. Jeff, if you see this, you caused a real strain on my day. I cleaned up already and everything, and now I gotta take them all off again. We got the new tune loaded up, so we're gonna go out and try a 3/4 shift. Hopefully it's shifting at the correct time. The issue was it was short shifting. I guess there's something in 6R80s that's called ghost traction control, and that turned on and it kept short shifting, so Jeff fixed that. So it keeps shifting itself into fifth.
I need the light. I'm sorry.
There's the light. It keeps shifting into fifth. So we're pulling the plug. That's what Jeff said to do. So we'll try that. I kind of need to get home because it's 11 o'clock and I live 4 hours away.
Put the car in park.
Yeah, let me just go ahead and put the car in park. Take my foot off the brake.
Why are we moving? Why are we moving in park?
It's in park, isn't it? Back where she belongs, on the jack stands. What did I do to deserve this, bro?
Oh, that doesn't sound good.
Can't even go into park.
It's in park now.
Oh. No.
Oh, kind of in park.
That's awesome. I'm leaving this here. Again, we drove here 4 hours for nothing. There's no park. It's just from 3 to 5. So, looks like I'm gonna leave it for another week and hopefully they figure it out and then I can come pick it up. I'm a little pissed. After contemplating and contemplating, I'm going home. Roush pulled up next to us, wants to run. One, two, three! Roush who? What? It is 5 o'clock in the morning. Well, today was a fail. I hyped it up. I said the car was coming back and I jinxed it. I left at 1 today, 1 p.m. It's 5 in the morning. I have work tomorrow, today, in an hour. I'm leaving in an hour. This is a fail. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you really enjoyed it. Please make sure to like, comment, subscribe, make fun of me, please. I hate my life, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Hopefully picking that stupid car up.
Oh, I saw 600.